Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sutnawati Tuhuteru. I'm from English Department Class A, and then I will explain my assignment about article, and the title article is Transforming English Language Learning, Advanced Speech Recognition with MLP LSTM for Personalized Education. The article by Nizal Al-Samiri, Miagma Suren Oroso, and friends. It is necessary to know the meaning of MLP LSTM. For MLP, the meaning multiplier perceptron, type of neural networks used for machine learning. And then for LSTM, the meaning is long short term memory, a type of neural network designed to handle sequence data such as language. Okay, so in introduction, explain about um, speech recognition technology is transforming English language teaching by providing students with personalized and engaging experiences. Speech recognition tools offer numerous benefits to English language learners. Without the assistance of a human teacher, they can improve their speaking skills, practice pronouncing words correctly, and receive instant feedback. Speech recognition is used by programs such as virtual assistant and language learning apps to generate dynamic and engaging lessons tailored to the learner's skill level. The accuracy and effect events of the system are enhanced by um, integrating advanced framework such as LSTM and MLP networks. Okay, the next point about formulation of the problem. For the first, how to improve the accuracy of speech recognition system in English learning by combining speech features and attributes more efficiently. For the second, how to overcome the complexity of achieving seamless language translation and speech recognition in a bilingual speech recognition system. For the number three, how to solve the problem of long-term dependency and predication time in speech recognition systems. For the last, how can machine learning techniques facilitate speech recognition? Uh, the next point about research purpose. Okay, for number one, improve speech recognition for English language learning using MLP LSTM. For number two, leverage the combined advantages of MLP LSTM from work to detect speech recognition for English language learning. For number three, revolutionize English learning platforms by integrating speech recognition technology with deep learning, specifically by combining MLP and LSTM networks. Okay, the next point about benefits of research. For number one, leverage the power of MLP in holding high-dimensional data and LSTM in managing long-term dependencies and temporal patterns in speech. For the second, propose a method for deep learning speech identification that combines language qualities and characteristics. For the number three, perform supervised training using a neural network with deep layers to obtain excellent speech attributes. Okay, the next point is previous research, and then for previous research there are three articles. For the first article, the author is Zhou Juan Song. The title article is English Speech Recognition Based on Deep Learning with Multiple Features. For the second articles, the author is V. Fashid, A. K. Pandey, S. P. Yadav. For the title article is Speech Recognition Using Machine Learning. The last article, the author is Di Wang Ji Su H U. The title article is Future Extraction and Analysis of Natural Language Processing for Deep Learning English Language. Okay, the next I will explain equality and different from the three articles. For the equality, there are 3 points from 3 artikel tersebut. For the first point, focus on English speech recognition. So all 3 articles focus on aspect of speech recognition, especially in the context of English language learning. For the second point, use of machine learning. All 3 articles above discuss the use of machine learning techniques, although with different approaches. As in the article I discussed, especially using MLP LSTM, whereas the previous article discussed deep learning neural networks and natural language processing NLP in various combinations. The last point, addressing language complexity. All 3 articles above acknowledge and attempted address language complexity, including variation in accent, dialect, and speech patterns. Strategies for dealing with this complexity vary from article to article. The next is different from 3 articles. For different, there are 3 points too, and for the first point, approach. The first article focused more on deep learning based speech recognition, while the second combination speech recognition with interlanguage translation, and the third focus on word segmentation through natural language processing. Nah, the second point, application. Zhou Juan focus on general English speech recognition. Fashid et al. On practical applications in the field of translation, and then Wang focus on language processing for English education. For the last point, result and performance. Although all studies show success in improving system performance. They also note a challenge such as the influence of noise, environments, or variations in sound quality. The next point is research result. Um, this article proposes for innovative This article proposes innovative methods of speech recognition and language processing, each with a different focus. Zhou demonstrates improved performance of the English voice recognition system through deep study, took affected by the quality of speech and accent. Fashit et al. Introduced a system that was able to translate between Hindi and English and recognize sound, but its performance dropped in the background. And then Wang et al. Meanwhile, offers a faster, more efficient word sang mention method equivalent to the previous model with an emphasis on natural language processing. These studies showed significant progress in speech recognition technology, though each one faced a particular challenge. Next point is the research method. So in this method, there are several steps used. For number one, data collection. Data was collected from Kaggle consisting of spoken digit audio files from Google Speech, commanded dataset, and free spoken digit dataset. For the second, data preprocessing. Audio data was cleaned using median filter method to reduce noise and normalize it to ensure data quality and consistency. The third, filter extraction. Low-frequency capture coefficients were used to extract important filters from the audio signal. This process involved framing, windowing, Fourier transform, power spectrum collection, application of Mal's-Klein filter logarithm, and discrete Gaussian transform. For number 4, model building. MLP-LSTM model was built with multiple MLP layers with softmax activation function. Dropout layer to prevent overfitting and LSTM layer to capture sequential dependencies. For number 5, training and evaluation. Model was trained and evaluated with an 80 to 20 relation. Training test data split. For 6, performance testing and analyze. The model is tested with new data to assess necessary and robustness. Model performance is assessed using various metrics such as word error rate, word recognition assurance, word correct rate, accuracy, precision, result F1 score, and ROC surveys. The next point about a result and discussion. The results show that the proposed MLP-LSTM based speech recognition model successfully achieved high accuracy with a total accuracy rate of 98.25% and a word rate error of only 0.075%. This shows that this model can accurately transcribe English speech, even in noise condition or with diverse accent. Thus, results are also much better than exciting speech recognition models, demonstrating the superiority of the MLP-LSTM model in handling diverse language complexities. Future discussion shows that the MLP-LSTM model is able to combine the strengths of MLP for future extraction and LSTM for sequence modeling. This allows the model to capture temporal and contextual relationship in speech, which are essential for accurate transcription. The model also shows good processing speed, making it suitable for real-time applications. The success of this model in overcoming challenges such as accent variability, noise interference, and contextual understanding show its great potential to improve the English learning experience. This study highlights the great potential of the MLP-LSTM model in improving English learning. This model offers a more accurate and efficient solution compared to traditional methods, providing timely and personalized feedback to learners. Future research can focus on developing more sophisticated models by adding more diverse training data, integrating real-time feedback system, and exploring more advanced deep learning methods. By continuing to develop speech recognition technology, English learning can become more effective, engaging, and accessible to everyone. The next point about conclusion from my article, and the conclusion is, in summary, this study on speech recognition using the MLP-LSTM framework has shown encouraging results and possible direction for future research. With a competitive word error rate and strong performance across a range of accent and speech styles, the MLP LSTM architect demonstrate its efficiency in capturing temporal relationship and nuance in spoken English. This technology, which offers precise and tailored feedback on pronunciation and speaking fluency, has significant implication for enhancing the language learning experience. Future research in this area can focus on several important areas. In summary, future research project will continue to innovative and improve this technology to better support language learners and educators in achieving proficiency and fluency in spoken English. Although this study represents a significant advance in the use of MLP-LSTM for speech recognition in English language learning.